Hey there, everybody. This is Dale with Southwest Exteriors. I just wanted to show you kind of a common issue that happens with window and door jobs. So this happens to be a brand new install, and we have some debris you can see on the glass. The client is concerned that there is, it's in between the panes here, but it is on the surface. Now this is typically caused by just manufacturing, and you can see the sealant they've used is just kind of leached out. These specific windows get a coating initially that comes on the windows to protect the glass, but the edges are not protected. So you can kind of see where it's smeared here. Hopefully it shows up in the video somewhat okay. You can see those kind of spots here. But so what we're going to do with that, just to make it kind of go away relatively easily. So this is just a spray away product, which is fantastic cleaner. It's something we use pretty regularly, but essentially it's a glass cleaner, but also kind of a lubricant. We're taking a scraper and going ahead and just scraping the glass off. You don't want to do this when it's dry, but essentially you want to make sure that you're getting this. So usually you're going to do it like an arch. This has got kind of some tough spots all over the place, and these are very noticeable from the inside when the sun hits it. So now once you've gone ahead and scraped that off, you can come back with a towel and just go ahead and wipe that off. And so this is necessary to do. Sometimes you see it after an installation, but as you can see, glass is perfectly clean, no issues, beautiful pool reflection there, and yeah, customer should be happy. So thank you much.